Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today we are going to show you lot of crafty activities, and for these activities I am going to make use of the modeling clay. This activity is very easy and simple. You just have to follow each step carefully so that you will be able to create the different objects, different things out of just simple clay. This is the dog's face and it looks so cute and nice. I am going to make use of some of the tools like the toothpicks, scissors, knives for performing various activities in this video. You may require some of the beads like these black colored ones. These will represent the eyes. Let's shift our attention towards our another activity. I'm taking the dough and then I'm going to convert them into these cylindrical bodies that are 3 in number. Once I'm done with it, you may require a fork also for creating the patterns and knife for cutting them down, and with the help of my hand I'm going to give them a perfect shape. Just squeeze them together using the chopstick and you can just push them together in one particular specific direction. This activity is very simple and nice. Let's move towards our next activity. Here I'm taking the circular chapati. I'm just cutting the 4 slices out of it as apparent on your screens, then fold them and pile them up together as it's shown here. This activity is very easy and it's very less time consuming. This is best suitable for the kids between the age group of 10 to 11. Let's move towards our another activity. I am taking these cylindrical bodies that are 4 in number and I have created them using the modeling clay by rolling them in my hands. And then with the help of the comb I am going to make some of the patterns. It's time to add some of the dates at the center and twist them and roll them as apparent on your screens. You can just squeeze them together with the help of chopsticks. Now take the 4 different chapatis and make some of the imprints using the comb. Once you are done with it, you just have to just cut it at the center and pile them up after one another from the sideways as shown on your screens. Once you are done with it, you just have to roll it or twist it over any bead or anything, like here we are rolling it over this date and place it at the center. Let's move towards our next project. I am taking these cylindrical shaped bodies that are 3 in number and I am just making some of the cuts in width, and these will be converted into the 6 separate bodies, or we can say somewhat stripes. Once you are done with it, you may require a chopstick for squeezing them together, and then in between you just have to place some of the dates. You can even make use of the beads or any other thing of your own choice. This is mandala art inspired flower pattern and it looks so beautiful and pretty at the end. You may have to invest some of your time and energy, but it will turn to be fruitful once you are done with it. This one looks so perfect and so nice. I believe that these type of the activities are so much stress relaxing that our minds love to play with them. Let's try to make this type of the thing. For this I am taking the stripes that are 3 in number and I am going to build a braid like we usually do for making our hair. Once I am done with making this braid, I have take these chapatis that are 4 in number and I have to just make some of the imprints using the comb from both the sides and cut them at between. Then pile the cuts one after the another and you can roll it over anything you like, and here I'm going to roll it over this date and just decorate it with the braid from the sideways. It looks so nice and something very different and fascinating. Thank you for watching our videos.